Hmm. Ay, bestie. Yeah, you're standing for a long period of time now, no? You know how to stand already. Sige nga, show us. Your key. Nati, can you shake your keys? Ayaw mo diwag. Oh, where's your balloon? Where's your balloon? No more. No more balloon. Where's your balloon? Huh? No more. Where is this?